Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. It's Wednesday, April 14th, morning hours of the market, and I want to talk about Ideanomics, ticker symbol IDEX, currently sitting at $2.91 at the time of this video. Wednesday, April 14th, it is the morning hours of the market, and Ideanomics, you guys, is a stock that I found very interesting for a while now. Definitely, they have Ideanomics Capital and Ideanomics Mobility, two really different kinds of spectrums that they are in, and definitely interesting, and I think a strong play long term. But I just want to talk about Ideanomics, give you guys an update, a couple news things that have come out regarding Ideanomics, just give you guys my overall updated opinion on this stock. Again, I do remain bullish here on Ideanomics. If we do take a look at the chart for Ideanomics 6-month chart, you can see back in November, this stock was trading sub $1, around 88 cents, climbed up around Thanksgiving to $4.75. You guys, absolutely shot up to $4.75, and then again mid-February, like a lot of other stocks, you know, the February 8th through the 15th, a lot of stocks, the market was very green. Ideanomics was $5.45. So, you know, a lot of people were entered here, made money here, and then a lot of profit selling happened, and we've kind of seen some of a little bit of a leveling out here. You know, it hasn't been the lowest it's been since around mid-February, has been $2.66. So $2.90 is where we are today. And again, I do remain bullish on Ideanomics. But Ideanomics, you guys, they really have two divisions. They have Ideanomics Mobility, which is their EV side. They have a different ways as far as them entering the EV market. So they have S2F2C business model, which is very interesting business model, you guys, that I've really that I think exists. So they have sales, which is assist fleet operators to obtain their choice of EV model suitable for their budget. Ideanomics earns fees on this group of EV sales. They have financing. Ideanomics financing partners enable fleet enablers to purchase EVs without the large cash deposit. Ideanomics earns a fee for facilitating the solution, and then they have charging solutions as well. Ideanomics will earn fees from selling energy used to charge both commercial and passenger EVs through prepaid and wholesale electricity. They also are, have these subsidiaries: Medici Motorworks, Wave, ASEAN, China, and a bunch of different other ones. If you take a look at their company profile, they got Tree Electric, which is a company I'll talk about shortly, but they're bringing the first true electric bike to Malaysia. They've got Soltrack, which is electric tractors, absolutely incredible company as well. And then Intelligenta, which offers AI services and solutions. And I think this can be a potential winner as well. And then Energica, which is a motor company manufacturing high performance electric motorcycles. So electric EVs as a future is, as a whole, is the future. And then they also have Ideanomics Capital, you guys, which is another whole. So they're trying to disrupt the fintech solutions for the financial services industry. And this is something I also think is, pretty interesting that they're investing in, and they have subsidiaries of Timius Holding Corp, which is they're trying to create an unparalleled real estate closing process from start to finish, just making it way more efficient, title and escrow services. So definitely in a bunch of different markets that I think can explode. And again, their name really attributes to what they do. Ideanomics, you guys, definitely something that they're trying to digitize tomorrow, right? Everything that they're doing is the future, and everything that they're doing has massive potential. So some news though that came out in regards to Ideanomics this morning, which may attribute to why the stock's rising so heavily, is Tree Technologies Inc.'s deal to supply 200,000 e-motorbikes to Indonesia. Multi-year deal sees a minimum of 10,000 units in 2021 to 90,000 units in 2022 and 100,000 in 2023. So Tree Technologies, which is Tree Electric, which, as you can see here, is a subsidiary of Ideanomics. Tree Electric here is which I said I'll talk about later. So first, Tree Electric, they provide transportation option which clean, safe, and affordable in Malaysia with advanced technology, EV innovations, and minimal maintenance. So that's happening. So a Malaysian homegrown electric vehicles EV maker with a presence in the ASEAN market and a subsidiary of Ideanomics has signed a partnership to supply 200,000 units of its 100% electric motorbikes to Indonesia. via distributors. The partnership extends Tree Electric's regional presence as a key player in promoting electric mobility, supporting ASEAN's energy transition agenda. So, similar to the United States, energy transition and clean energy bills are the future in many different countries, including the US. I think this is something that we're going to start seeing over across the board over a lot of countries. Clean energy is the future. And just given the current price, you guys, of Ideanomics, in my opinion, I think this is just the beginning. I think they have their hands in too many different pots, or I guess I don't know the term, too many different cups, and one of those cups is gonna take off, right? One of those cups is gonna fill up, and one of those cups is gonna boom, which I think will then translate to the rest of them filling up as well. And again, this stock was $5, clearly $5 earlier this year at $2.91. We may see a bit of a pullback. I'm looking for a nice entry point of around 250. In my opinion, between 250 and 275 would be a great entry point. Again, that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. But I just wanted to make this video to talk about Ideanomics, you guys. Things are starting to really happen for them and their subsidiaries. And then it's just very interesting to me as well. Last week, Ideanomics did announce a new chief revenue officer. So as you can see here, Ideanomics announced yesterday that it has appointed Kristen Helsel as chief revenue officer. She has more than 20 years experience in business development through team leadership and tactical executions. At Ideanomics, she is responsible for driving hyper growth, performance strategy, and alignment. So definitely something interesting here. A new chief revenue officer. I think sometimes when there's a change in a high ranked executive or officer, it can impact the stock somewhat. But I think for Ideanomics as a whole, you can see here the stock gained a whopping 213%, a significantly outperforming a 38% rally in the industry. It belongs to a 53.6% raise of the Zacks S&P 500 composite. So again, Ideanomics, you guys, definitely think has a lot of potential here. Definitely possibly a buy at the right price. 250 to 275 range again is what I'm looking at. Hit that subscribe button, you guys. Let me know in the comments below how you guys are feeling about Ideanomics. Drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.